recording. Okay, good day, everybody. We are the Cognition crew, and we are here to present our project for the AISaturdays Lagos, which is the multilingual news and classroom semantics system. So let me first introduce ourselves. So my name is Abdelhak for data scientist and interested in computer vision. My colleague here, my co-colleague is called Michael Uto. He's a software engineer, and we brought about a solution that's an application that can leverage multilingual semantic model using the Cohere to revolutionize media and news agencies. So that's our main solution we are trying to develop. And we need people to be able to track news in real time without translating and understanding their other parties' language, to be able to keep informed. So that's why we're bringing about this solution. So why? We are targeting Africa, and in Africa, there are about many languages in Africa. More I can't really say, but right now, as the data we have, there are about 75 languages which are spoken by 1 million people, and this needs a rising attention to in terms of how can AI leverage these different languages. And in sub-Saharan only, we have about 13 number of languages, like popular languages, which are some like Afrikaans, Amharic, Hausa, Igbo, Somali. When you go to Ghana, you have the Cree, you have the Ghana and others. So these are different languages, and we believe that Cohere can help us achieve this goal. So due to the limited of translation services and the variety of languages spoken in multilingual Africa, it's challenging for individuals to keep up to news in other countries, which are written in different languages. So we need to bring about a solution in terms of how can we, embed these different news together to show the kind of their connection, and that's our main solution. So after presenting, I'll talk about our demo, but let me start with the future work. So our future work, we are looking at to fine-tuning the large language model, and also because African languages are low resource languages and needs data and then needs more work on due to tonation. Example, in Yoruba, it's same word but different meaning because of maybe one or two tonation. Maybe there is O as another part, maybe an exclamation on top or something, which try to give a different meaning. So this is something that needs to work on, and also interpreting attention mechanism into our model. Then updating the pipeline to recommend latest news articles in our app. That's our going forward, our future work. And in business case, we are looking at how to partner with media houses, to provide functionality, this functionality, and they have to pay. So that's our business case here. And then also news outlets, for instance, media houses want to know about news that is in other countries, but most of these news are in other languages, and it's difficult to really kind of search through this news. So I think with the help of our functionality app, we can achieve this. So that's all from our system, and I'll show you the demo. I will show you the demo right away. So let me show the demo. So the demo, we have our platform. So let me refresh. This is our platform. We use Streamlit API, and with the Streamlit API, we have our first. You need to input the news article you're trying to look around. So if you're trying to look around, maybe coronavirus, and you can talk about how the number of finds you want, because based on the semantic search. So when I click on 15, you can go to 10. So when I click on cluster news, it start running. So I think it takes some time because of doing the embedding behind the scenes and creating the visualization. So it takes some, I think, 1 minute. Okay, so here we have our news here, which talks about different languages talking about coronaviruses. So we have one in Yoruba, some in Amharic, some in Swahili. But I think there are some 1 or 2 news that might not really fall into coronaviruses, but they have some kind of connection regarding to maybe coronavirus or some kind of disease. Yes. So that's the cluster news being shown there, and then we have a embedding view here, which shows the different embedding of our newses and how close to, but it has more work to be, it has more things to work on in terms of like showing the news that we search, showing the different cluster. Yeah, so we have to apply the cluster algorithm. So that's our model, and that's one. Thank you very much.